The quagga is a subspecies of the plains zebra that was endemic to South Africa. They were believed to have been over 8 feet long and 4 to 4.5 feet tall at the shoulders. Based on measurements of skins, mares were significantly longer and slightly taller than stallions. The coat pattern was unique among equids, zebra-like in the front, but more like a horse in the rear. It had brown and white stripes on the head and neck, brown upper parts, and a white belly, tail, and legs. The stripes were boldest on the head and neck and became gradually fainter further down the body, blending with the reddish-brown of the back and flanks, until disappearing along the back. It also had a broad, dark dorsal stripe on its back and had a standing mane with brown and white stripes. The species had a high degree of polymorphism. Some animals had almost no stripes, and others had patterns similar to the extinct southern population of Burchell's zebra, where the stripes covered most of the body except for the hind parts, legs, and belly. Little is known about the quagga's behavior, but it may have gathered into herds of 30 to 50. Quaggas were said to be wild and lively, yet were also considered more docile than the related Burchell's zebra. They were once found in great numbers in the Karoo of Cape Province and the southern part of the Orange Free State in South Africa. Quaggas have been identified in cave art attributed to the indigenous San people of southern Africa. Local farmers used them as guards for their livestock, as they were likely to attack intruders. After the European settlement of South Africa began, the quagga was extensively hunted, as it competed with domesticated animals for forage. Due to its restricted range, it was easy to find and kill. Afrikaners hunted them for their meat or to trade and exploit their skins. Some were taken to zoos in Europe, but breeding programs were unsuccessful. The last wild population lived in the Orange Free State. The quagga was extinct in the wild by 1878. The last captive specimen died in Amsterdam in August of 1883. Only one quagga was ever photographed alive, and just 23 skins exist today. In 1984, the quagga was the first extinct animal whose DNA was analyzed. The Quagga Project is trying to recreate the phenotype of hair coat patterns by selectively breeding the genetically closest subspecies, which is Burchell's zebra. DNA analysis confirmed that the quagga was more closely related to zebras than to horses. The quagga and mountain zebra shared an ancestor 3 to 4 million years ago. An immunological study found the quagga to be closest to the plains zebra. A genetic study confirmed that it diverged from the other plains zebra. Its distinct coat pattern perhaps evolved rapidly because of geographical isolation or adaptation to a drier environment. Plains zebra subspecies tend to have less striping the further south they live. The quagga was the most southern living of them all.